Welcome to Joey's Curiosity. If you think high-level geometry and paper folding problems are nothing but dry formulas, rigid textbook equations, and endless calculations that take all the fun out of thinking, get ready to change your mind completely. In this video, we tackle a brilliant Math Kangaroo Level 7-8 spatial brain teaser called The Geometry of a Folded Rectangular Strip, using pure logical thinking, geometric creativity, and an intuitive tracking strategy instead of mindless rote memorization. Let's get right to the quiz. A rectangular strip of paper of dimensions 4 by 13 is folded as shown in the diagram. Two rectangles are formed with areas P and Q, where P equals 2Q. What is the value of X? A. 5. B. 5.5. C. 6. D. 6.5. E. 4 square root 2. This is the brief on solving a classic paper folding math puzzle. We're breaking down a really cool geometry problem involving a folded 4 by 13 rectangular strip of paper, showing you how to use some super simple logic to find an unknown length when you know one resulting section is exactly twice the area of the other. First, let's look at the bottom rectangle, which we'll call P. It has a known height of 4 and an unknown width of x. So what's our starting area? Well, it's literally just 4x. Second, we track the fold of the paper to find the dimensions of the top rectangle, Q. Now, here's a brilliant little geometry hack for you. A 45-degree fold acts exactly like a mirror, perfectly converting horizontal length straight into vertical height. The remaining horizontal paper, which is 13 minus x, basically becomes our new total vertical height. By subtracting the overlapping height of 4, we find Q's actual height is 9 minus x. And since its width is still 4, Q's area is just 4 times that new height of 9 minus x. Finally, we solve the puzzle using basic algebra. The problem states P is twice the size of Q. So we set up our equation. 4x equals 2 times 4 times 9 minus x. Let's walk through the quick mental math. Simplify the right side to 8 times 9 minus x, which just becomes 72 minus 8x. Moving all your x's to one side gives us 12x equals 72, meaning x is exactly 6. By methodically tracking dimensions through the fold and using some basic algebraic balancing, even complex-looking visual puzzles unfold into really simple, satisfying solutions. Thanks for watching. We have a lot of exciting content coming up, so make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Don't forget to like and comment to let me know you're here. See you in the next one.